Shopify Header Design. Create custom headers in Shopify. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a custom header in Shopify. So let's get into it. Now, store customization is one of the most key and important factors of setting up your own Shopify store. This includes making sure that you have your own brand identity established. Because if you take a look at this store that I've created over here, there's not a lot that is being said in terms of the brand, in terms of the branding that we should be receiving. So the header is a really major component and is present in all your pages. And to get started with customization, we are going to begin with Shopify's website builder. So to access that, just click on online store, and once you click on online store, what you are going to do is you are going to click on customize over here. Now, once you click on customize, any changes you make to your header will be inserted to all of your header sections within your store. Now, first and foremost, it's time to add some branding, and you don't have to necessarily do this in the header. You can click on this gear icon over here on the leftmost panel. This is your theme settings panel. Over here, click on logo and upload your logo image. Once you upload your logo image, you can also upload a favicon, and this will automatically be inserted into any place where your logo should be. Then you can scroll down and build different color schemes. So if I want my header to follow a particular color scheme, I will click on add color, and I will add a new color scheme, which is going to be a dark pink color. And I want to use a couple of like dark pinks with white text on top, and I want to add like a background gradient. No, I'm not gonna add a gradient. I think I'm just gonna add some text, which is going to be in white. Then the solid button background is going to again be like a super deep kind of pink. Then the solid button label is going to be white, and the outline button is white, and the shadows will be white. So like that, I have built a new color scheme, and I think I'm just going to increase like the contrast of the coloring over here like this, like so. And the solid button background should also be white, and the button labels should be in black, or should be in the mauve color like this. Now, once I have created this particular color scheme of my own, I can insert this color scheme into my header. So let's begin editing our header. To do this, we are going to click on sections on the top left, and once we click on sections, click on header. Now in this, you will see the position of your logo. So for us, it is placed in the middle left. We can place it in the top center. We can place it in the middle center as well. We can also do top left or top center. I think I like it best at the middle left, so I'm gonna leave it over there. Below that, it has the option of a menu. So by default, your main menu will be displayed in your Shopify store editor. Now, I will show you guys later on how you can customize your menu as well. Below that, you have your desktop menu type. So your drop down is where if you scroll down, the header folds in, and if you scroll back up, the header appears again like this. However, you can also create a mega menu. Mega menus usually remain at the top but do appear on scroll. Or you can even choose a drawer menu type. Now I keep a drop down menu. Then after that, select the type of header. So I want this to be an always header. That means it will scroll down everywhere. Or if I want to always scroll down but reduce the size of the logo, then I only want it to appear. I want it to go in or disappear when I scroll down and reappear when I scroll back up. So I am going to keep this as a scroll up header, and then you can choose the color scheme. So in your color scheme, you have two color scheme options over here. The first one is applied to the background, and then the menu color scheme is applied to this menu section over here, where it is titled Home, Catalog, and Contact. So if I click on Edit over here, I can edit the pre-existing theme, or I can click on Change over here to change the color scheme like so. If you click on Edit Scheme, you can also create two different color schemes within your header. like so over here. Now, all of these have white text, so it really isn't going to make a lot of difference. Now, once you do that, you can scroll down and enable the country or region selector within your header, as well as choose a mobile layout, because mobile layouts are really important and it's best to view it in the mobile version. If you want this to be on the left or the center, it looks better on the center on the mobile version. Below that, you can choose your spacing and padding for your header. Once completed, click on Save on the top right, and your header has now been customized. However, in our header, our menu is still the same, and for any header to look more interesting, it's very important that the menu items are reflective of the different trends or categories that are present within your business. So to actually add more items within your menu, simply click on Exit on the top left. Once you click on Exit, click on Online Store on the left and then click on Navigation. Once you click on Navigation, you will see this section called Menus, and under that, click on Main Menu. From here, you can add different menu items. Let's say I want to name something along the lines of trending products. And then I can enter a particular product, or I can also add, a particular collection. Let's say I have a particular collection which is currently trending. And then I can just click on add over here, and I'm just going to add that on top. And if I want to have different pages or sub pages within my Shopify store header, all I have to do is, let's say this is I'll create a all clothing page. So I'll click on add menu item, and I will name this all clothing. And then this will be linked to all of my products. So this will display all of the products. Then I want to add another menu item where it is going to only list the button down shirts. And then I can paste in a link, and the link is going to be my button down collection, or if you haven't created your collection, I'm just going to be adding this shirt as a reference, and then click on add. Now, to make this a sub-menu item within the header, I can just hold it from here and move it towards the right. Now, this is present under all clothing, and you can make any type of sub-pages. To alter the position of any of these menu items, simply hold them and move them up or down to alter their position. Once completed, click on Save Menu, and once you have saved your menu, click on View Online Store. Sometimes it can take a couple of minutes for your changes to take effect. We're going to click on Customize over here to see what our changes look like. So this is what our new header currently looks like. Now, there are a lot more customizations you can do with third-party applications as well. So this is our new header like this. It has a drop down as well. It has an interesting look. But for further customizations, you can click on Settings on the bottom left, open up Apps and Sales Channels, and open up the Shopify App Store. From here, you can add some interesting cart logos. So we're going to add header designs like this. And there are quite a few different apps that allow for further customization of your Shopify store headers. However, I do feel as if this customization does suffice pretty well on its own as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.